Let's give our Japanese fighting stick an Alpha 49S Korean lever. Clockwise from the top left corner, give each switch a black ground cable and a colored cable from the shortest to longest, like this. Take a flathead screwdriver to hold the shaft in place and then unscrew the ball top with your hand. Unplug the pin and unscrew the lever body from the case. The bottom left screw was holding the ground cable for the case, so don't forget to place it back with the new lever. Now to make the placement of the ground cable easier, screw in the top right first, so you can hold the lever body in place. That way you can thread the screw of the ground cable easier by having both hands free. Once you get those two in place, the remaining screws take no effort. Plug the pin in and you're almost done. Place your dust washer and bat top in place, pop the lid, and place the fat side of the actuator towards you. Then get your E-clip in place and secure it by squeezing it with your needle nose pliers. Now you have a Korean lever.